Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, this just arrived. My new Dyson AIRWRAP. Yeah, the one I purchased almost 2 years ago. So basically guys, I'm doing this video to let you know, yeah, they sent me a new one. So my AIRWRAP was it was starting to get loose. I don't know what was happening, but the attachments were getting loose. And so I sent them a video of it. They asked me to send them a video of it. And they sent me a thing, a prepaid label to send them my Dyson back, and they sent me a whole new one. Now, this is because I registered it on Dyson.com. If you didn't purchase it from Dyson.com, then you need to register it on their website to get the, I believe it's 2-year warranty. Now, if you buy it from Dyson.com, they automatically register it, I believe, for you. But yeah, let's open it and see if it's the exact same. I bet it is, because they just said they were sending it, and they said they were sending it 2 days ago. So it got here really fast. And let's see. Yeah. Huh. Okay. Well, I am missing a piece. I'll reach out to them about that though. I am missing. Oh, they sent me a Smooth+Control. Okay. They sent me the wrong one. They sent me the wrong one. I had ordered from, mine was not the Smooth+Control. Mine was the full one. I ordered a full Dyson. So they still need to send me 2 more items, which is fine, and I'll just reach out to them. So yeah, if you want to make sure that your Dyson, if you have any issues with it, make sure you register it to get the warranty and reach out to them. Great customer service. They will send you a new one, or they'll send you the part that's messed up, that's whatever is going on with your Dyson, they'll make it right. And I appreciate that. So I want to make this video to share that with you guys, because, you know, what's it retail for? $4.99 or $5.99, something like that. It's been a while since I purchased it. And you know, it should last. It should last. So yeah, I want to tell you guys that, just in case if you didn't know, to register it, and if there's something wrong, just reach out to them and they'll fix it. As long as it's not something you did, or, you know, I lost it, or I caught it on fire to see what would happen. I don't know. Yeah. So I hope that helps you guys. Just really quick, just to let you guys know this, because I didn't. And I hope that helps someone, at least one person. So have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. I'm still super excited about my Apple Watch. I feel myself talking really fast and just on this high. So I will see you guys next time, and have an amazing day. Bye.